ती 7 भाषा बोलते.
She speaks 7 languages. She speaks 7 languages. She speaks 7 languages.
आपण माझ्यासोबत येऊ शकता का?
Can you come with me? Can you come with me? Can you come with me?
आम्ही 3 भाषा बोलतो.
We speak 3 languages. We speak 3 languages. We speak 3 languages.
मला सोडू नकोस.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
आपले आमंत्रण दिल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
Thanks for your invitation. Thanks for your invitation. Thanks for your invitation.
आम्ही उशीर करणार नाही.
We will not come late. We will not come late. We will not come late.
आपण मला पाहू शकता तर.
If you can see me. If you can see me. If you can see me.
तो माणूस कोण आहे?
Who is that man? Who is that man? Who is that man?
आपल्या शर्टवर ठेवा.
Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt.
मला तसे करण्यास आनंद होईल.
I'll be glad to do so. I'll be glad to do so. I'll be glad to do so.
एक सुखद प्रवास करा.
Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey.
पुन्हा त्या म्हणा.
Please say that again. Please say that again. Please say that again.
प्रति रात्र किती शुल्क आहे?
What is the charge per night? What is the charge per night? What is the charge per night?
मी तुझा मित्र आहे.
I am your friend. I am your friend. I am your friend.
शुभेच्छा.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
या सीटवर कोणी बसले आहे?
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
खूप धन्यवाद.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
आपल्या सल्ल्याबद्दल आभारी आहे.
Thanks for your advice. Thanks for your advice. Thanks for your advice.
आपल्याकडे खोल्या उपलब्ध आहेत.
Do you have rooms available? Do you have rooms available? Do you have rooms available?
मी शाकाहारी आहे.
I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian.
माझ्या मुलीला 2 बिल्ल्या आहेत.
My daughter has 2 cats. My daughter has 2 cats. My daughter has 2 cats.
मी तुम्हाला समजतो.
I understand you. I understand you. I understand you.
तू कुठे आहेस?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
काय वेळ आहे?
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
तुमचे वडील कोण आहेत?
Who is your father? Who is your father? Who is your father?
आज मी एक बैठक आहे.
I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today.
मी तिला आज शिजवायला सांगेन.
I will ask her to cook today. I will ask her to cook today. I will ask her to cook today.
आवाज कमी करा.
Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume.
तारीख लक्षात ठेवा.
Remember the date. Remember the date. Remember the date.
हे हॅलो, तू कसा आहेस?
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
तुम्ही आता जाल का?
Will you go now? Will you go now? Will you go now?
मी तेथे होतो परंतु गेल्या आठवड्यात परतले.
I was there but returned last week. I was there but returned last week. I was there but returned last week.
आम्ही भेटलो तेव्हापासून त्याची खूप वेळ आली आहे.
It's been a long time since we met. It's been a long time since we met. It's been a long time since we met.
कृपया ते लिहा.
Please write it down. Please write it down. Please write it down.
हे किती आहे?
How much is this? How much is this? How much is this?
तू कुठून आहेस?
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
तो माझा शेजारी आहे.
He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor.
आपण कुठे राहता?
Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live?
पोलिसांना बोलवा.
Call the police. Call the police. Call the police.
मला माफ करा.
I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry.
मी त्याला आपल्याला कॉल करण्यास सांगेन.
I will ask him to call you up. I will ask him to call you up. I will ask him to call you up.
कृपया मध्ये या.
Come in, please. Come in, please. Come in, please.
आपण मला पाहून आश्चर्य आहे का?
Are you surprised to see me? Are you surprised to see me? Are you surprised to see me?
माझ्याकडे 3 कुत्री आहेत.
I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs.
मी व्यस्त आहे.
I am busy. I am busy. I am busy.
हे योग्य शब्द नाही.
This is not the correct word. This is not the correct word. This is not the correct word.
मी आपली मदत करू शकतो काय?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you?
आपण ठीक आहात.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?